Welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Learnings. So here is another question. So let us see how to solve it. Here the given question is A can complete a work in 20 days while B can complete the same work in 25 days. Both work together for 10 days and then C alone completed the remaining work in 10 days. In how many days will A, B, C together complete the same work? So the given data is A can complete a work in 20 days and B can complete the work, the same work of A in 25 days. So let us consider that do the work of 100%. 100% work should be done by the A and B. So in a day, how much percent of work is A doing? So to find that, A is equals to in 100% work, the 100% work is completed by A in 20 days, which means it is completing daily 5% of work such that in 20 days it completes its 100% work. So now B completes 100% work in 25 days. So 100 by 25 gives 4. So B completes daily 4% of work to complete its 100% of work in 25 days. Now they said that both work together for 10 days. So A plus B is into 10 days. So daily A works 5% of work and B works 4% of work, which is into 10. So 9 into 10, which is 90% of work. So A and B together works in 10 days, which they complete 90% of work. And they said that and the remaining, and the C alone completed the remaining work in 10 days. So there is 100% work and A and B completed 90% of work. So remaining work will be 10%. So 10% work is completed by the C in 10 days. So in one day, how much percent of work is done by C is calculated as C is equal. So C completes 10% of work in 10 days. So 10% of work in 10 days, which gives to 1%. So C daily works 1% to complete the 10% of work in 10 days. Now A completes 5% of work in one day and B completes 4% of work in one day and C complete 1% of work in one day. Together, here they are asking the question is how many days will A, B, C together complete the same work, which means A plus B plus C is equals to how much? So 100% work they have to complete by together. A, B, C has to complete 100% of work. Let us see how many days they will find. So in one day, A completes 5% work and in one day B completes 4% of work and in one day C completes 1% of work. So 100 divided by 5 plus 4 plus 1 is 10. So 10. So in 10 days, A, B, C together complete the same work. So the option of this question is D. In 10 days, the work will be completed 100% if A, B, C together work.